The Shroom Tips. Today I show you how to make a organizational chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, this first open Google Sheets and open your project or create new project. Okay, open project and category amount and click on car and press shift your keyboard and click on this and select all category, select all amount. Okay, in left corner click on insert and click on chart. Open your Windows chart editor. This don't open and click on this, double click and open. Okay, chart type, click on this, scroll down and search other and search organizational chart and click on this and you create organizational chart. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.